as a country again, we were experiencing some bad relations with one of our closest neighbors, one of the closest brotherly countries, which is Rwanda. You remember the border was closed for 3 years, and people at the border were suffering. No trade, no money, no business. But more than that, people were suffering because they were not able to go and visit their families and friends across the border. So this was a big problem. But we thank God, God has also solved that problem. Our relations are good and they are going to get even better. I'm very confident. So we thank God for these gifts, and that's why I thought we should come out and celebrate.